Now I demonstrate a Korean hairstyle for everyone. Before coloring, the model's hair is frizzy and naturally curly. Part the hair into top and bottom sections. I don't use electric clipper at the bottom section. Instead, I choose Vern Styling Scissors 6EE by Scissors over Comb. In this way, it can make hair ends not too neat, and create more natural effect at the hair ends. I cut the length by texturing to cut at the top section. Look, I do the repeated opening and closing horizontally. It can made me adjusting hair volume, and cutting the length at the same time, and creating the desired effect at the hair ends efficiently. Curly hair is suitable for this way. Please leave your valuable comments or questions in the comment section under the video. Trim the hair ends at the top with the same tools. For the bangs, I still apply texturizing to cut to create side-swept bangs. I use Vern Styling Scissors 6ED by Slanting Texturizing to create wispy and space effects for this hairstyle. Please leave your valuable comments or questions in the comment section under the video. I complete it. Thank you. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.